The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clark County in southwestern Arkansas, central Pike County in southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Garland County in central Arkansas, west central Osprey County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, until 4 p.m. At 3:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Narrow Dam or near Murfreesboro, moving north at 75 miles per hour. Hazard of 60 miles per hour in gust and quarter-sized hail. Source radar indicated. Impact hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Glenwood, Amity, Myers, Bear Creek Public Use Area, Salem in Pike County, Lauderdale, Wells, Roxborough, Pike Lee, Silver, Kirby, Berkey, Crystal Springs, Royal, Hurricane Grove, Lauderdale, Wells.
Very funny. It's just extremely appropriate. It is always in the top news stories for the top news feed out there, and they're out there parodying or satirizing.
effective until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday. This launch includes the following counties: Texas, Tennessee,
turning against their own citizens. The reason I'm bringing this up tonight, and I'm reading it, is with all this other violence stuff is this. Back then in the bottom, if you understand the DHS, the Director of Intelligence, the DOJ, they had a meeting back in March 2021 to keep classified over the northeastern Henderson County in central Texas until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Brownsboro, or 13 miles northeast of Athens, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated location. Flying debris will be rendered to the damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The dangerous storm will be near, even around 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Then around 9:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 540 and 542. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of certain buildings. Avoid windows. Keep your outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle near to the source of sustainable traffic section 23. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Henderson and Van Zandt. This local NFL quarterback is the reason why the recuerdo que me volví para ver a gente vestía una túnica blanca, tenía un pelo rubio muy largo. Y cuando oí las palabras de mi esperado de pronto veía como todas las cosas en Valencia, ya en un quirófano médico que me atendió, no da gusto a mi compañía. Por la piel, por la barbilla, de hasta 50 puntos. out of service, and Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for eastern Henderson County and central Texas until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles west of Princeton or 13 miles southeast of Athens, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and rainfall at 5 sales. Source, radar indicated and they give up. National relationship with that's where we're at. It's just going to go on from we should have said it more. No, I didn't want to say it more. I just wanted it to be easier. I didn't know we could do it. Figure it out by the espresso. I can go again. This is the final form. Will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near. Hawkins around 10:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Big Sandy around 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Gladewater around 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Part of your overall wealth management plan. Register now at EAS.com to learn about credit cards and how to use them to get covered. It's covered now. Move to a basement. or when you stay in a room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, live in a mobile home or in a vehicle, use typical central factors to affect performance stability. Tornadoes are extremely damage to roofs, and trees. Locations in Trenton include Mount Pleasant, Gilmer, New Boston, Pittsburgh, Leesburg, Post, Vanderbilt, London, Lod, Omaha, and Red Lake. The tornado watch remains until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Arkansas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the single building. Thunderstorm can produce tornadoes and widespread tornadoes.
The strength of your next event. Give them a call or visit today.
U.S. defense officials say Russia has increased the number of military aircraft deployed over Ukraine over the past 2 days, but that Russia still does not have air superiority over the country. The judiciary is kicking off Supreme Court confirmation hearings today for Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson, first black woman in the nation's highest court. She'll start taking questions on Tuesday. A multi-million-dollar Carolina Panthers facility under construction in South Carolina is called for several weeks. The deal may be in place soon. South Carolina State Council conversation there. Forecasters say rain is signing in the forecast for parts of Texas by wildfires. Wildfires have already blamed 14 firefighter deaths in Texas, one in Oklahoma. Turning to sports, Jalen Sims will lay up with 4.3 seconds left. UNC Wilmington with a 76-75 victory over Drake in the college basketball invitational quarterfinal. Bruce Farrell and CNB.
Attorney Joe Cordell. School, new job, new home. Change is hard and can leave you feeling isolated, and divorce delivers one of life's hardest blows. The relationships you counted on are suddenly gone, but you don't have to walk through this alone. For more than 30 years, Cordell & Cordell has guided men through the challenges of divorce. You're not alone. Call Cordell & Cordell. Online at CordellCordell.com. 701 Farmer Road, Suite 110, Charlotte, North Carolina, 28226. Joseph Cordell, licensing 3 and 2 years. Finding great candidates to hire. Be like yourself.
The media needs it, the government needs it, they always need to rev up another outlet. And we haven't done anything to ensure that the American people are much better equipped emotionally and mentally to deal with the next one. What was the next one?
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Diana around 10:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Fort City and Cedar Springs around 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lone Star and Jenkins around 10:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lathater and Abinger. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. County in northeastern Texas, west central Gregg County in northeastern Texas, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Tyler, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage for the storm. City around 10:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Storm around 10:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. White Oak, Clarksville City, and West Mountain around 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Longview and East Mountain around 11:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations detected by the
iHeartRadio is the easy-to-use app for music and radio. Download the free iHeartRadio app today. iHeartRadio is the easy-to-use app for music and radio. Download the free iHeartRadio app today.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Millett County in southwestern Arkansas, Cass County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Bowie County in northeastern Texas, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hughes Springs, or 23 miles southwest of Atlanta, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near London around 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Atlanta around 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Queen City around 11:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Fairview, Domino, Douglasville, Bloomberg, and Red Hill. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Bowie and Cass and Mill. Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for Garland County in central Arkansas, northwestern Grant County in central Arkansas, southwestern Perry County in central Arkansas, Saline County in central Arkansas, Clark County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Dallas County in southwestern Arkansas, Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas, Pike County in southwestern Arkansas, Montgomery County in western Arkansas, until 7:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen over the past 3 hours. Additional heavy rainfall is expected. As a result, flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for Garland County in central Arkansas, northwestern Grant County in central Arkansas, southwestern Perry County in central Arkansas, Saline County in central Arkansas, Clark County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Dallas County in southwestern Arkansas, Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas, Pike County in southwestern Arkansas, Montgomery County in western Arkansas, until 7:30 a.m. At 4:25 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain has fallen over the past 3 hours. Additional heavy rainfall is expected. As a result, flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hot Springs, Benton, Bryant, Hot Springs Village, Arkadelphia, Malvern, Murfreesboro, Mount Auburn, Temple, Glenwood, Garden, Mountain Heights, Rockport, Amity, Cattle Valley, Stratford, Lee Odo, Hall, Sparkman, and Norman. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood out are current vehicles. And especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for Garland County in central Arkansas, northwestern Grant County in central Arkansas, southwestern Perry County in central Arkansas, Saline County in central Arkansas, Clark County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Dallas County in southwestern Arkansas, Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas, Pike County in southwestern Arkansas, Montgomery County in western Arkansas, until 7:30 a.m. At 4:25 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen over the past 3 hours. Additional heavy rainfall is expected. As a result, flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hot Springs, Benton, Bryant, Hot Springs Village, Arkadelphia, Malvern, Murfreesboro, Mount Ida, Haskell, Glenwood, Garrison, Mountain Pine, Rockport, Amity, Cattle Valley, Traskwood, Leola, Tull, Sparkman, and Norman. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.